Hi everyone, welcome to week 9. So this week we will keep learning cyberbullying and we will also make some preparation for the project 3. So this week you need to submit the slides and I hope everyone of you stay healthy. So this week we have 4 tasks in total. The first one is to watch this introduction video and the second one is to finish the reading. So I found this article in our university library. This is a really great article, so please read it very carefully. And in the discussion activity, there are 2 paragraphs you need to share. The first one is a reflection for the reading this week, and the second one is the answer to those 3 guiding questions. So please share your reflection by using this link. So the last assignment this week is the slide submission. So as a group, you need to submit the link to your slides this week. So if you are still not familiar with the project 3 requirements, so please read this overview again. And this is the link for your group to submit the slides. So this week you are only required to submit the slides. So the presentation video will be the assignment next week. I just changed the deadline, so please remember it. So that's all for this week, and that's all for project 3. If you have any question, please send an email to me. I'm very happy to help you. So that's all, and see you next week.